How to make the outfits for Team Maddie Fashion Blast, Winter Wonderland. Outfits appear in the order seen in the fashion show.
I'm only here for the party. Trust me, we just getting started. The sound, the vibe, I feel so alive. I'm only here for the party. Trust me, we just getting started. The sound, the vibe, big bass, that's where the heart is. I'm only here for the party. The sound, the vibe, I'm only here for the party. The sound, the vibe, big bass, that's where the heart is. I'm only here for the party. I'm only here for the party. I'm only here for the party. The sound, the vibe.
Join us each Saturday for another great Team Maddie Fashion Blast. Please like and share this video.